best media is purposeful. It's a tool and it's designed to work for you. This is also needed in the beginning because you probably don't have much of a marketing budget to make the necessary dent to really see a return on ad spend. You're also running a fabulous campaign with customers enjoying their 24/7 Christmas because of how rad your offering is, so you don't have all the time in the world to be getting your indie Christopher Nolan on anyways. So with that little bit of time you do have, we have to make this count, both on your update page as well as your social media channels. There are 3 media segments you need to hone in on. 1, updates. Let your supporters watch you build in public. Allow them to get to know you and the inside of your operation. Let their personality and expertise shine bright. Remember, people invest into people at the end of the day. With consistency, they can learn to love you and your mission as long as that passion is on display. Side note, this will plug right into the update section on your Raise page, which is a really underrated tool. You should view that like your newsletter. Then there's highlights. The best way to hack share culture is to talk highly about others in alignment with you. Who are your industry partners? Who would you love to have as industry partners and why? What news/experience is happening in your network/industries, etc., etc. This media is important because your audience is small and you need to grow it. This strategy opens you up to other networks, expanding your perspective, investor opportunities because a highlighted will want to share to their audience. This is good for updates in full and social media as clips. And lastly, interviews. Have a conversation with your team members. Have conversations with your partners, your customers, your lead investor. Share perspectives while encouraging those highlighted to share the media. Also good for updates in full and social media's clips, running them back to the updates page. Format-wise, shoot for short-form media that's 2 minutes in range. That way everything can live on all of your social media channels you have. And if content ends up being a little bit on the longer side, then think about breaking it down into segments. Edit out 2-minute clips for sharing or shorter. Call to actions. Every piece of content should end with a title card with your WeFunder URL and the captions that have the URL link in it. Your minimum max is getting people to sign up for your updates on your Raise page and sharing, while the max is an investment. Be sure to either say that in some way at the end of your videos or put it on a title card or in a caption. Also remember, every communication you do while still in testing the waters before you file your Form C must include the testing the waters disclosures. We'll have a link in the caption.